Okay. Quick chiller broken piece provided. We got for bachelor's room, only for storage beers. It's really nice! Exclamation mark. For small family just go for it, simple and good. We got 9,450 rupees per with Citibank 10% offer. Compared to Flipkart it's load only. Hash for cough Flipkart hash pros, asterisk 190L with 3 stars asterisk under 10k asterisk branded 1 asterisk quality was good and comfortable for beer storages asterisk inbuilt stabilizer cons asterisk we got defect strays asterisk under vegetable containers not closed proper, it has gape on it, then why they given laid. Asterisk B rating still 2020 asterisk Whirlpool customers service need to improve, they don't know English. Good, I am happy with this product. Customer executive didn't visit for installation, demonstration or presentation. Product is good. Product is good, enough capacity and consume less electricity. Must go for it, purchased at a very good discount, overall paid 10,500. The best time. Very nice product. Good color quality and speed, also no noise compare other brands. It is a good product. Just one statement, don't think too much. Just bought this fridge. Truly paisa vasool. I am happy with performance and all. It is the best. The getup is nice. It is value for money. Till date, I have received proper response from the service center. Nice. Growth for money and easy to install and better you will buy voltage stabilizer 900 only to avoid voltage fluctuations. All of them know very well about refrigerator usage and cleaning work. Delivered on time, compact for 4 to 5 peoples. Lock key is missing. Really good product. Click link in description for more reviews.